Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel. Ayan, another day, another vlog, another panty haul. Ayan. So, I'm so happy for today guys. I have two panties I went to the mall guys. So, of course, bumili tayo ng panties. Another panty haul for today. And I have here, white and green siguro ni siya. Ayan. Lots of cases, rows and cases guys. Ang ganda nito, okay, ito muna. Ang ganda nito guys because lots of keys. Keys. So ito siya guys, a lot of keys and here, cases, rows. Yan, kita nyo. So maganda talaga siya guys. And I'm very happy also kasi mura lang siya. This one is ano lang niya siya, XL ni siya, and then I think this is 35, 45, ayan, 45 pesos. Okay, ayan, actually 40, pero pwede siyang 3 for 100, 40 pesos each, ayan. So ganda talaga siya, no? Okay, so ito namang isa, I like this one because look at this, it's ribbon. A lot of ribbons and mint green siya. Actually, this is comfortable panties. Ayan, so very clean. Ayan, good outfit. Gusto ko, I like this one without garter guys. Yung garter niya is ganito lang siya, very thin lang siya, and then yeah, ganda siya, and I really like it because there is some ribbon everywhere. Kung yung isa is cases, rows and cases, heart, this one is ribbon, okay? So ribbon, pack, ganun. Okay, so suot natin to guys, which is pareho lang siya. Hindi ko siya na-check dito guys. Cover din pala siya. So, let's try this guys. Ayan. Tanggalin na lang natin ito. Let's remove the tag. Price tag. Ayan. Yun lang to. So, suot natin to guys. And then, let's go na. Suot na natin siya para okay. Kamarap pala dito. So, XL ni siya ha, dalawang XL, 2XL. This is fit to me for sure naman. Kasya lang sa akin yung, tingnan mo naman. Kasya lang sa akin yung XL. This is XL, so, it's fit to me. Ayan, kita nyo. Maganda siya. So, sana ganito din yung isa, pero I feel naman mas ko siya, very comfortable siya. Yan. Suot natin ang isa guys. So this one guys is small to me. This is maliit sa akin kasi guys, very fit siya, tapos mababa siya dito. Ayan, this is small to me. Hi. Ayan. But anyway, sige. So, pero kung mas maganda yung isa, the one is better than this. I really like the, yeah. Kasi if